Homeowners in Washington, D.C., are increasingly making the switch to energy-efficient windows, and for good reason. With fluctuating temperatures, rising energy costs, and a growing focus on sustainability, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. If you're considering a home improvement project, here's why so many DC homeowners are investing in energy-efficient windows. Lower energy bills. One of the biggest reasons homeowners upgrade to energy-efficient windows is the potential for significant cost savings. Older windows often allow heat to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. Energy-efficient windows provide superior insulation, reducing heat transfer and helping maintain a stable indoor temperature. This translates to lower energy consumption and decreased utility bills over time. Enhanced comfort year-round. DC experiences both hot summers and cold winters, making indoor temperature control a top priority. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing drafts, hot spots, and cold spots. This means a more comfortable living environment, no matter the season. Whether you're keeping cool in July or staying warm in January, upgraded windows can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort levels. Environmental benefits. Reducing energy consumption isn't just good for your wallet, it's also great for the environment. Energy-efficient windows help lower your home's carbon footprint by decreasing the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your living space. In a city like DC, where sustainability is becoming a key focus, installing energy-efficient windows aligns with eco-friendly living and helps contribute to a greener community. Increased home value. Energy-efficient home upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers. As more homebuyers prioritize sustainability and cost-saving features, having energy-efficient windows can boost your property's marketability. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or simply want to increase its long-term value, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that can yield high returns. Noise reduction. Living in DC often means dealing with traffic, construction, and city noise. Energy-efficient windows typically feature multiple panes of glass and special insulating materials that help reduce outside noise. This makes for a quieter and more peaceful home environment, enhancing overall comfort and quality of life. Improved home security. Many energy-efficient windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass. These features enhance home security by making it more difficult for intruders to break in. For DC homeowners looking for added peace of mind, energy-efficient windows offer both efficiency and safety. Protection from UV rays. Ultraviolet UV rays can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and decor over time. Many energy-efficient windows include low emissivity, low-E coatings that block a significant portion of UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps protect your interior spaces and prolongs the lifespan of your belongings. Federal and local incentives DC homeowners may also be eligible for tax credits, rebates, or incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. The federal government and local programs often offer financial incentives to encourage energy-saving home improvements. Taking advantage of these incentives can help offset the initial cost of window replacement and make the upgrade even more affordable. Low maintenance and longevity. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to last. With features like durable frames, advanced weather stripping, and moisture-resistant materials, these windows require less maintenance and upkeep compared to older models. Homeowners can enjoy long-term durability while reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Conclusion: upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise choice for DC homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and increase their home's value. With added benefits like noise reduction, enhanced security, and protection against UV damage, these windows offer both immediate and long-term advantages. If you're considering making the switch, now is the perfect time to invest in energy-efficient windows and enjoy the many perks they bring to your home and lifestyle.